Y'all boys, I'm back with another video. Hey man, so you see we got the boys back here in the back. My boy Rash, Dontel, and this guy. Yes sir. Taking over at the airport, so you already know what's going on, man. We are in the Chi-Town. What's happening? Chicago. We are live. So, man, I don't know if you know, I'm a big baseball fan, so definitely got to hit up Wrigley Field, historic Wrigley Field, while I'm here. So we saw a lot of Braves fans on the plane, a lot of Braves fans. So let's see what this weekend is all about, y'all boys. We got some extra guests coming a little bit later, but yes sir, stay tuned. All four of us not sleeping in here, but we just had to go drop the bags off on time. Here's the top of the arena too. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Go behind the back though. You did go behind the back, clean. All right, so we in Cindy's rooftop bar. Got the vibes going. Got the fellas.
That's some baller type stuff though.
Got the views in the back. Yes sir. You see the beam back there. We in Chi-Town with it. Yes sir. You weren't in the picture. It's a selfie. Yes sir. All right, y'all. So y'all know whenever I'm on vacation, I gotta try something new. So today, trying some oysters. My dog Rash making me try this stuff. I've never had oysters before, raw or cooked. Or what is it? What's the actual?
These are raw or charbroiled.
Charbroiled, yeah. I've never had it either way, so we're about to try it out. So, all right, explain what we got here.
These are from Canada. On this side here, these are from Massachusetts. So start with Canada on this side first. Grab this end, and then basically slurp.
So I take everything in there.
Yes, slurp. It's gonna slide right out. It's gonna slide like a little bowl.
Woo. What you give it out of 10? That wasn't bad. That actually wasn't bad. I wasn't expecting it to like
Slimy.
be slimy. Yeah, that chewy part. I wasn't expecting that part, but it's not bad.
Try the Massachusetts.
Woo. There's a certain taste in there though. What does that taste?
He said something about the vinaigrette.
Yeah.
This one to me tastes a little bit better than the first one. So this is from Massachusetts. This is right here.
I don't like that.
I think it's with you. Oyster toast.
How long come out? Ooh, this one tastes really fishy too.
I'll do the rest.
That one better?
Yeah. I like the Massachusetts better.
That one was really fishy.
Okay. That's a good, okay. Okay. I can see that.
So we at the tilt. About to go up to the top of the building and get a nice view of Chicago. Get to lean over and see, get some good views. Good panoramic view of Chicago.
And somebody can do a time lapse going up the elevator. Cinematic.
Oh, speaking of people, welcome Jock
Ooh, I'm
to
black
the
in this
channel.
video. I'm black.
It's my boy Jock.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
I already know. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Rise and shine.
Got a new guest now. Say hello. Yeah! B finally made it after a crazy.
Please allow me to laugh. My name is Brendan Johnson, and of course, I'm the oldest out of the bunch. Older than Rash by a few months. This idiot here, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know why we continue to entrust him. I don't know why we continue to entrust him with our financial obligations. May I mind you, I paid for a plane to get here. I get here. Carnell says, okay, Brendan, you on the way, you touch down, you're landing. Here's the address to the hotel. I put the address to the hotel in the Uber. I pay for the Uber. During the rush hour time, it's about $60 to get to this hotel. This idiot here gives me the address to the wrong hotel. I get there, they look at me like I'm crazy because I'm at a freaking bar with luggage and a backpack asking, how do I go into my room? Come to find out, I put in the chat, this is the wrong hotel, you idiot. Guess what he says? Oops. That's all I get. Is a freaking oops. I got a mortgage coming up. I got a car note coming up. A $700-something truck payment. And the only thing that I get is 5 letters? Oops. Okay. Now, I go outside. Arcadia. He can't even speak words right. It's my Arcadia. I go outside. Try to find an Uber. Everybody keeps canceling on me. I look around. I see nothing but, well, I ain't gonna tell you what all I saw.
Blue skies.
All around. Nobody. Traffic was blocked. The roads were blocked. Everybody kept canceling my Uber. Guess what? I gave the fellas my last will and testament, told them I'll see them later, whatever, because my god doggone phone died. I walked 40 minutes to get here and then called the Uber.
You be alright.
All right, so B had an eventful night.
And then I ordered food. And he ain't got here yet. Somebody George is on the bike. He better.
All right. We got our jerseys on, so you already know what's going on. Except B. B ain't got no jersey on.
I'm sorry. I have a life.
Yeah. I'll tell up here.
What's up, y'all?
About to hit this Braves game. Braves, Cubs. Let's get it.